You can expect a lot from the 2017 Ford Focus. The engine breathes better thanks to a turbocharger, improving both performance and economy. Top features include a split folding rear seat, variably intermittent wipers, adjustable headrests in all seating positions, a trip computer, fully automatic headlights, and one-touch window functionality. Premium sound drives 6 speakers, providing you and your passengers a sensational audio experience. Ford ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as head curtain airbags, front and side impact airbags, traction control, brake assist, a panic alarm, an emergency communication system, and ABS brakes. For added security, dynamic stability control supplements the drivetrain. It also arrives with a Carfax history report, providing you peace of mind with detailed information. Our sales reps are extremely helpful and knowledgeable. Call now to schedule a test drive.